Well, in news from India, chaos erupted at Subramaniam Swami temple in Tamil Nadu's Madurai district amid dispute over lighting a sacred lamp. Now, Wednesday marked Karthigaya Deepam, which is a festival of lights that symbolized victory of light over darkness. The Madurai bench of the Madras High Court had ordered temple authorities to allow the lighting of the lamp at the hilltop shrine on the festival. However, the failure to comply with the directive triggered tense clashes between right-wing groups and the police, with protesters accusing the state government of not enforcing the court's order. Although the court had allowed the petitioner and 10 others, accompanied by security personnel, to light the lamp, that is, atop the temple, a large crowd had gathered at the site, escalating tensions, with demonstrators even forcing their way through police barricades and attempting to march towards the temple. The footage that has surfaced shows the chaos that ensued. In a December 1st order, Justice G.R. Swaminathan had affirmed that lighting lamps was a deeply rooted Tamil tradition, dismissing objections from a Muslim shrine, also the Thiruparakundram hill. This was seen as a departure from a long-standing practice, and the temple administration even proceeded only with the traditional lighting midway up the hill. While tensions remain high in the area, with additional police deployed and prohibitory orders in place, that is to prevent unlawful gatherings at this location. Well, the row has now taken a political turn, with the BJP, part of the opposition alliance in Tamil Nadu, that has accused the DMK-led state government of anti-Hindu bias and minority appeasement. In fact, DMK allies, on the other hand, have accused the BJP of exploiting religious tensions for political gains.